Programming a new or replacement smart key fob for your 2017-2020 GMC Acadia is a straightforward DIY task. You can complete it in 5 to 15 minutes without special tools, saving money compared to a dealership visit. The process relies on the vehicle's body control module and requires a working programmed key. You'll synchronize the fob's RFID chip with the vehicle's immobilizer system. Ensure your Acadia is unlocked, the ignition is off, and battery voltage is above 12 volts for smooth operation. While DIY is generally reliable, BCM issues or dead batteries can cause failures, requiring professional tools for hardware problems. Also be aware that over-the-air updates via OnStar can reset key programming, requiring repairing. First, insert your working key into the ignition switch. Turn it from off to on 4 times within 10 seconds, but don't start the engine. Leave it in the on position. The security light should flash, indicating programming mode. Next, on the new key fob, press and hold the lock and unlock buttons at the same time for 15 seconds. The vehicle should respond with a chime or horn honk to confirm the key fob has been paired. Finally, test the new key fob by locking and unlocking the doors to ensure it works. If it doesn't work, repeat the steps with precise timing. Common causes include incorrect ignition cycling, low battery voltage, or user error. If still unsuccessful, a faulty body control module or other issues may require professional diagnostics. Remember, you can program up to 8 key fobs using this method.